If you want to quickly control the bookmarks bar in Google Chrome, this tutorial will show you exactly how to always show it or hide it in just a few clicks. Whether you want faster access to your favorite websites or you prefer a cleaner, distraction-free browser window, this is one of the easiest Chrome settings to change. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This is the main Chrome menu where you can find most of the browser's settings and tools. After you click the three dots, move your mouse down to Bookmarks and Lists. When you hover over or click that option, a sub-menu will appear with bookmark-related settings. From here, you'll see the option to show Bookmarks Bar. If you want the Bookmarks Bar visible all the time, click Show Bookmarks Bar. As soon as you select it, the Bookmarks bar will appear directly under the address bar. This makes it easier to access your saved websites, folders, and shortcuts with just one click. If you later decide you want to hide it, go back to the three dots menu again, select Bookmarks and Lists, and then click Hide Bookmarks Bar. Chrome will remove the bookmarks bar from view, giving you a cleaner and more open browsing space. You can switch between showing and hiding the bookmarks bar anytime using the same steps. That's why this setting is so useful if you change how you use Chrome depending on the task. For example, you might want it visible while working or researching, and hidden when you want a minimal look. Another quick tip is that you can also use a keyboard shortcut to toggle the bookmarks bar in Chrome, which is handy if you want an even faster way to turn it on or off. But if you prefer using the menu, the three dots method is simple and reliable. So just to recap, open Chrome, click the three dots, go to Bookmarks and Lists, and then choose either Show Bookmarks Bar or Hide Bookmarks Bar, depending on what you want. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast and easy browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.